The Craftsman CMXZDCG453 is a 3-button garage door remote designed to control multiple compatible garage doors or gates. In this video, I'll show you how to open the remote and replace its battery. Start by removing the visor clip from the back of the remote. Next, look along the top edge of the remote. You should see a small cutout in the plastic casing. Insert the end of the visor clip into this slot. Carefully twist the clip while lifting the casing from one side. Lifting from one side is important because it allows the housing to release without forcing or damaging the plastic clips. Once the remote opens, you should see the battery immediately. To remove it, lift the battery upward and slightly toward you. It should slide out of the battery holder without much resistance. The replacement battery for this remote is one CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery into the battery slot in the same direction as the old one. Make sure it is sitting flat and securely inside the holder. It should not feel loose or move around when the circuit board is handled. Now you can begin reassembling the remote. The easiest method I've found is to align the hooks at the bottom of the casing first, near the button side of the remote. Once the bottom hooks are properly aligned, slowly lower the other half of the casing into position. Press the two halves together lightly until you hear the housing click closed. Do not force it. Reinstall the visor clip on the back of the remote. Finally, press each remote button. The indicator light should turn on when a button is pressed. You can also test the remote with your garage door opener to confirm that it is operating correctly. That's it. The battery replacement is complete. Stick around for the factory instructions that came with this remote, including how to program, sync, and connect it to a compatible garage door opener.